Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And if you're oldie, hey girl, hey, what's good? So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing this cute asymmetrical lock bob. Just showing y'all what it's given. And I really like this hairstyle, y'all. And I really thought I couldn't achieve this because my locks were a bit shorter, but it's definitely possible. Before I start, I would like to thank Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video. They sent me these 3 beautiful pieces. Let me show y'all. I got this cute chunky ring. If it'll focus, there you go. I got it in a size 8, so I can wear it on my index finger or my middle. So I thought that was really neat. And then I got this cute dainty little bracelet. I've always wanted one of these, so I was really happy when they sent me this. It's just very cute and delicate. And then lastly, I got this gorgeous piece of a woman's body. I've been wanting a necklace like this, so the fact that they sent me this, y'all, I was like very excited for that. Now, I don't know about y'all, but fall is my favorite season, and I'm so happy that it's here. I feel like it's only right to get you some gold pieces, or even silver if you're not into gold. You can even treat your mom, girlfriend, friend, wife, coworker, whatever. Treat them to a high quality Ana Luisa piece. It's only right. What I love the most about Ana Luisa is that their jewelry is made with clean, low-impact recycled materials. Even their shipping mailers are made of 100% recycled paper. What jewelry company, y'all not doing that? Not only do they care about their customers, they care about the earth. And I think that's my favorite thing about this company. They have a variety of pieces to choose from. I'm talking layered necklaces, stackable rings, cute cuffs, dainty earrings. It's just so many cute pieces on there. Like, it's really hard to choose from. I've been wearing this jewelry for like 3 weeks now, and it has not turned green or anything. Like, I've been wearing it in the shower and it hasn't irritated my skin, nothing. Like, this is very good quality jewelry and it's sustainable, and it only starts at $39. And by using my discount code SNAE10 down in the description, you will get an additional 10% off your purchase. So make sure you hit that link in the description below. But without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, y'all, so I got my MacBook right here so I can use it as like a mirror, but I took down a couple on each side just so I can show y'all the basic steps to achieve this look. So we're gonna start on the more shorter side of the asymmetrical bob. So you're gonna take one lock and you're gonna get your index finger and you're gonna place it wherever. Excuse me, like, sir. No, but you're gonna take your one lock and you're gonna get your index finger and you're gonna place it wherever you want your lock to stop. So since we want this side to be way shorter, we're gonna put our finger up way higher, and you're gonna bring up your lock and you're gonna twist it around. So you'll have your index going through this loop and you have it over there. So your index, go up, twist over, and then twist over one more time, and then you're gonna place the extra in a loop and you're gonna pull it down. Now right now I'm not gonna rubber band it, but rubber banding the knot will ensure that it won't go anywhere and it'll stay. But right now we're just not gonna worry about that. So you're gonna get your lock, you're gonna match it up with the first lock you did. You're going to pull that up, you're going to twist. We're gonna do this one 3 times, and then you're gonna pull it down. So that's how they both should be looking. All right, so we got this side down. Okay, so now we're gonna start on this side, which is the longer side of the bob. And since my hair, like, this is my regular length of my hair, so we're just gonna match up all the rest of the locks that's not this length to this length, because you don't want your locks to just be like all different sizes when it comes to a bob. You obviously want it very straight and structured. So you see how this lock is way longer than this one? We're just gonna knot this one and twist around. And I thought this was very smart to do, because when I first did the lock, when I first tried the lock bob, which is why you guys didn't get a recent retwist video, was because I tried to do the lock bob in that video and it didn't come out how I pictured it, so I thought I couldn't do it at all. But once I watched this video, I can't remember her name, I'll put it on the screen hopefully if I remember, but she said in her video that, you know, she did knot all of her locks, and I was like, oh duh, like I don't have to knot all of my locks if they're like the same length already, you know. So I was glad that, I'm sorry y'all if this thunder is loud, I know it's loud, but I was glad that I found out that information, because I thought your girl couldn't do a bob. I thought I had to wait till my hair got really long. Just gonna knot this one. I'll say my word. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. That was very simple and easy to achieve. And this hairstyle is great for a night out with the girls, with your man, with your woman, anything. Like, this hairstyle is just very sophisticated. You can wear this to an interview. Like, this hairstyle is just very, very cute, and I'm obsessed. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Period. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle down below in the comments. Also, make sure you guys check out Ana Luisa jewelry. The link will be down in the description. And thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.